So over here, you can see that I have the make your own section right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and add in a separator element in between. So to do that, you can click on add element, and here you can see a separator right here, which is actually just a line right here. You can go ahead and move this in between any of the two sections, and this is what you have right here. You can even go ahead right here and let's say, for example, click on the plus button, click on the separator. This is what you have. You can go ahead and copy it and then add the separator wherever you want. Let's just go ahead and move this element over here after this separator, and this is what you have. You can go ahead right here just like this and edit it as you want. So now over here in the separator, you don't really have much option, but it is simply a dash that you can go ahead and keep in between any of the two let's say, for example, sections right here. You can go ahead right here, keep it right here, or keep it in between these two sections, and so forth as needed. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the separator element inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.